Walaan niyo nasaan ako. Nasa Nueva Ecija lang ako. Sa Resino. Ganda. Ganda ng mundo. Kanina gumawa ako ng video about kung bakit kailangan mong palitan yung perspective mo. Not just yung not just philosophically but also literally. Uh, na kailangan mo ng ibang perspective. Like katulad nito, whatever I am seeing now, whatever I am feeling now, whatever I am feeding my five senses right now is in a completely different um plane. And sa tingin ko ganito yung lagi natin nakikita araw-araw. It will really help us contemplate about the bigger questions of life, like what is the meaning of this, where are we in the world. However, we get so consumed by the phones and social medias and dramas and issues na we thought na hindi magical tong mundo natin. Like if there's one thing we can be curious about, that's who made this. Like who made this? This. Who made this? Right? Like who made this? And who made this is whoever is observing it right now. Do you get what I mean? So parang this is linked with the teachings of Neville Goddard na consciousness is the only reality. So the reason why I am here is because I am in a consciousness wherein I feel more connected to the unseen, to the and when I say unseen, I mean to the mysteries of life. You see, the reason bakit tayo sumasali sa mga religion is because religion can provide us the four um foods that we need for our soul. And those four foods are, first is origin, saan tayo nanggaling. Kaya makikita mo lahat ng religions meron silang origin story, like yung Adam and Eve and iba't ibang origin story. Next is yung meaning, like what is the meaning of life, no? Religion will answer that for you. So the meaning of life is to live like Christ and return to um the kingdom of God. And parang ganun, 'di ba? Yung yun yung like mission ng mga Christians na parang live life as if you are Christ, so that you will be saved and not be tormented, if tormented is the right word, in hell. So I've mentioned na a religion will provide you origin story. I've mentioned that religion will also provide you what's the meaning of life, like why are you here, what's the purpose of this, what's your objective in this life, right? Na parang kasing dinrop tayo dito ng hindi natin talaga alam anong gagawin natin, 'di ba? And next is morality. Now, morality is a beautiful topic because it talks about the what's right and what's wrong about life. So why is it um right to do this? And why is it not right to do this? You get what I mean? So after religions provide you origin, what's the meaning of life, what's morality, one thing that I can answer for you, aside, like ito yung answer ng lahat ng mga religion, it's the golden rule. It's do not do unto others what you don't want others do unto you. So it's like the theme of each morality question, the answer to each morality question based sa different religions are like the golden rule. Don't do unto others what you don't want others do unto you. And aside from that, iba-iba na sila. Iba-iba na sila ng origin story, iba-iba na sila ng meaning na ibibigay sa'yo, ng mission na ibibigay sa'yo, ng identity na ibibigay sa'yo. And then after that, bibigyan ka ng religion ng destination story or saan ka mapupunta after mo dito sa mundong to. So, yun yung mga bibigay niya sa'yo. Remember, it's OMMD. Okay? OMMD. Origin, meaning, morality, and destinations. Ito yung apat na hinahanap natin sa religion kasi hindi natin siya maisip ng tayo lang. Like, our minds are too small to entertain these big questions. That's why we go to the easy path and ask, okay, let's just follow the religion. Oh my God, there are birds here. Oh my, oh my God. I don't know. Sana nabibigyan niya ng justice yung kung ano nakikita ko ngayon. Anyway, that's it. And you have a beautiful. Let me show you my wife. My wife. My wife is just here. Yeah, my beautiful wife. You see? You see, you can have a beautiful wife, a feminine wife, a completely submissive wife, and a beautiful world. Diba? Hindi ba ito lahat? Hindi ba ito pangarap ng mga lahat ng kahit sinong lalaki? Diba? Anyway, um, change your perspective. Go out sometimes. Bye.
Bye-bye.